A Singapore woman tried to sell $1 million condo she bought under her young son's name, but the court stopped her. And the reason? Hidden details and unanswered questions that go far beyond just property value. Here's what happened. In 2019, Cheryl Tan Yi Lin bought a condo worth about $1.8 million. But she didn't buy it for herself. She said it was held in trust for her then 6-year-old son. Fast forward to this year, she wanted to sell the unit for about $2.28 million, hoping to make a healthy profit. But because the property was under a trust, she needed the High Court's approval before she could go ahead with the sale. That's when things started to unravel. When Cheryl applied to sell, Justice Chu Han Tek refused to grant the approval. He said her application wasn't fully transparent, and that she failed to disclose important facts. One major omission: her husband had died in 2016 while viewing a flat in Australia, something she didn't mention in her affidavit. On top of that, the judge found she had changed her name twice, once in 1996 and again in 2007, apparently for feng shui reasons, but didn't declare these changes up front. Digging deeper, the court also discovered she had been involved in several lawsuits before, including one where she tried to claim about $1 million in insurance after her husband's death. That case was dismissed because her husband hadn't disclosed earlier insurance applications worth more than $6 million. In this new case, the judge said Cheryl's reasons for selling the condo, basically that the value had gone up, were not enough. When you hold a property in trust, especially for a minor, you can't just sell it because the price looks good. You're legally bound to act in the child's best interest, not your own. The judge even questioned whether the trust itself was created to avoid paying extra buyer's stamp duty or to protect assets in other ways. And that raised eyebrows. Was this truly about securing her son's future, or was it something else? This ruling sends a clear message. When you're managing property under a trust in Singapore, transparency is not optional. Every small fact, from your family background to past legal issues, matters. Leave something out, and the court might see that as hiding the truth. So here's a question for you. Should the court step in this strongly when someone hides personal details, even if the property is meant for a child? Or is this going too far into private family matters? What's clear is that this case highlights the growing scrutiny on property trusts and how they're being used. It's a warning to anyone thinking of transferring assets under a minor's name. Honesty isn't just a good idea, it's a legal duty. Thanks for watching. If you found this story insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230, where we bring you the real stories shaping Singapore, one headline at a time.